new song day. This one is called, what is it called? It's called The Sound of You. Sometimes singing songs, sometimes rambling on, sometimes it's whispers in the morning, sweet harmony brings me peace, whether I'm feeling low or feeling fine. Well, the sound of you, it gets me every time. Lay softly on my heart and on my mind. Well, if I could hear your sweet voice on that little tune, darling, I'd be on that train and headed back to you. Buzzing round the room, strumming little grooves, stories when I lay down in the evening, warm melody, sometimes all I need to ease my mind and rid me of my worries. Well, the sound of you, it gets me every time. Lay softly on my heart and on my mind. Well, if I could hear your sweet voice on that little tune, darling, it might hold me over till I make it home to you. Baby, it's the sound of you I can't stop thinking about. Well, I know sometimes it drives me crazy, but I'm missing it right now. The sound of you, it gets me every time. Lay softly on my heart and on my mind. If I could hear your sweet voice on that little tune, darling, it'd be just the thing to help me make it through. Thank you so much for listening.